to play now, you have to run first. Huh? 15 years? And then you are 24. 24 minus 15. Wow. You start 9 years? 24. You start very young? Oh, wow. Wow. I haven't seen you in your video, your long video you download. Nine-years old, you start your cricket because you are 24. 9 plus 15, 24. So 9 years old, you start cricket? Wow. Oh, MJ, I salute you. I salute you. Ting Ting, I salute you, Ting Ting. Ting Ting, well done.